Hello my friends! So today we're going to try something I saw on a tutorial. It's called Instant Facelift. Let's see if it works, shall we? Here's what you're going to need for this. You're going to need concealer in a color slightly lighter than your skin color and a foundation brush, or you can use your fingers or you can use a sponge. I'm going to use a foundation brush. You're going to apply 3 stripes of concealer. I'm going to try one side of my face and then we'll compare and see if we think it made a difference. And then I'll complete it with the other side. Alright, then we're just going to blend those in an upward motion. Gently blending, not pulling on your face too hard, just a little bit of blending. Okay. And the last one. What do we think? I see a little lifting. Yeah, this side looks higher. Cool. Do you see a difference? Okay, we're going to apply a stripe, a stripe, a stripe, and then we'll blend. You guys have to try this and tell me what you think. But I think I'm a fan. I'd say this internet tip is a hit. I like it. I look forward to hearing your results. Bye-bye.